Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a recent and impactful family law case from Singapore's High Court, WTM and WTL. This case presents critical issues in family law such as care and control of children, the division of matrimonial assets, and maintenance. Let's break down the judgment and explore the court's rationale for its decisions. Now, WTM and WTL were married for 19 years, with two sons aged 20 and aged 12. After an uncontested interim judgment in 2022, the parties faced disputes over ancillary matters. Both parents filed appeals regarding decisions made on asset division, care and control of their younger son who's aged 12, maintenance contributions, and spousal support. Let's outline the main issues addressed. Number one, care and control of the children. Both parties sought care and control of the children. The district judge found that the wife was the primary caregiver of the children, as she would have been more present at home for them, particularly after she left her full-time employment to work part-time, before she eventually became a stay-at-home parent. The district judge also found that prospectively, the wife would have more time to spend with the children, as she would be running a home baking business from home. The second issue that needed to be addressed was the division of the matrimonial assets. Each party disputed the district judge's assessment of direct and indirect contribution. The third issue was maintenance for the children. The husband appealed the set maintenance amount, particularly in light of his cancer diagnosis, surgery, hospital bills, and alleged reduction in productivity after his surgery. The final issue was spousal maintenance, also known as alimony. The wife wanted spousal maintenance, which the district judge initially denied. Let's move on to the High Court judge's decision in the appeal. The High Court upheld the district judge's decision to award care and control of the younger son, C2, to the wife. The appeal judge cited the wife's primary caregiver role, her ongoing availability, and her focus on creating a stable home environment. The husband, despite his significant logistical support, faced limitations due to his work and social commitments. The High Court's decision underscores the paramount principle in family law, the welfare of the child. Factors like emotional stability and continuity in caregiving were prioritized over financial contributions, reflecting Singapore's approach to custody matters. Now let's move on to the division of matrimonial assets. The parties' direct contributions were recalculated, with the court considering additional evidence, such as the husband's $88,000 renovation expense. This recalibration led to a slightly higher allocation in favor of the husband, but ultimately maintained the district judge's broader assessment of both parties' contributions. This case illustrates how Singapore courts strive to balance financial and non-financial contributions. The holistic approach, or broad brush method, avoids overly precise calculations to ensure fairness, particularly in long marriages with complex asset portfolios. Moving on to child maintenance, which is different from spousal maintenance. The husband argued for a reduced maintenance sum, citing medical and work-related challenges. While the court acknowledged these factors, it upheld the maintenance order, emphasizing the ongoing needs of the children. This shows the court's commitment to prioritizing children's financial needs, even when parents face personal challenges. Maintenance orders in Singapore are guided by the child's best interests, ensuring that their welfare remains secure. The wife's appeal for spousal maintenance was denied, as the court found her home business capable of supporting herself financially. This reflects the evolving perspective that self-sufficiency is a factor in deciding maintenance orders. This case highlights a few important themes. Number one, best interest of the child. Consistently, Singapore's courts place the children's welfare at the forefront. Parental availability, stability, and emotional support weigh heavily, as seen in the care and control ruling. Number two, financial self-sufficiency in spousal maintenance decisions. As the wife was capable of supporting herself, the court's stance reflects an increasing emphasis on self-sufficiency where possible. Number three, the broad brush approach to the division of matrimonial assets. This case reaffirms the broad brush approach in asset division. Rather than detailed calculations, a holistic view considers each party's unique contributions over time. Number four, adverse inference, and disclosure compliance. The husband's lack of transparency with certain financial accounts led the court to draw adverse inferences. This ruling reminds litigants of the importance of full disclosure in court proceedings, as non-compliance can impact outcomes significantly. To conclude, WTM and WTL provides an in-depth look into how family courts in Singapore navigate complex issues around custody, asset division, and maintenance. The focus remains firmly on children's welfare, with a nuanced appreciation of both financial and caregiving contributions in long marriages. It's a case that reminds us of the fundamental principles underpinning family law and how Singapore courts balance fairness, transparency, and the best interests of children. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.